Kuringana na Sossion miario na ministry ya uruti wira ni ciarite matunda no thina munene uri kuri kamiti ya TSC iri ikoretwo kiunira maitho mathina ma Arutani.
But while we are talking about the unity of this nation, there is one institution that was created by us, the Teacher Service Commission. And the persons running and managing the Teacher Service Commission, they are not awake to the reality of the unity that is being built in the Republic of Kenya. And they have continued to oppress teachers of this nation.
Maya magithiaga na mbere mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang na ugete thirikari ni irutĩire hari gutigirira mihango ya githomo ni yacokereria icigo-ini cia rugongo wa bururi iria ikoretwo igomeirwo ni uhaguku wa ugiteri. Aritio wari kaunti-ini ya Nandi hindi ya kuruguria mihango ya kiriu ya githomo kuria ugete thirikari ni irarutithania wira na ateti kuma icigo-ini icio niguo gwetha kihonia gia gutura.
We shall be able to share some of our teachers who have been able to teach longer, they have better experience and they are able to do well, and therefore mentoring our own teachers also who are still new in the area, so that we can be able to have a what we call level playing ground for.
Mwenini wake muikariri giti wa kamiti ya bunge ya githomo Julius Meli ne ugete thirikari ni haririirie kugacirithia githomo guothe bururi-ini. Kugena kuthukuru wa imwana wa Murang'a hai ni ukanite ati aciari a thukuru ucio matirathinekererio kuriha kigina kia harambe kia muigana wa ciringi 40,000 to uri uhoro koretwo ugitheremio. Ona kuri ogo munini wa thukuru uyu ndanetekira kwaraniria na andiki ya mohoro akiuga mwarimu munene dauma thukuru no ni monanirie tafarira ngurani iri kwamite kurumirira wagi wa kigina. Maya mokite kurumirira mateta ma aciari makuga ni maretio kigina kia iguru muno kia harambe ona thengia ya gukorwo mari na marehi mangi mametereire ma thukuru. Hando-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.